Nice with Arie. So yeah, y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Arie, the Arion, and I am back with another cooking video, guys. So I made a post the other day on YouTube and I kind of asked everyone, I said, so what do you guys want to see me cook next? And you guys left some pretty good comments down below, but one that stuck out to me was chicken wings. Somebody said, can you make wings? So if you are one of those who said make wings, this video is for you. Thank you so much. I absolutely love wings, and here recently I've been getting into lemon pepper wings. I absolutely love them. I used to not eat them because I used to be like more of like a spicy wing, spicy buffalo, super hot, or even like hot barbecue. But lemon pepper, not so much. But guys, I actually do really love them now, and you can make it at home almost really fast. And the ingredients are super simple and easy. So I'm going to show you guys how I make my lemon pepper wings. So yeah, guys. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, please do take some time to subscribe. Make sure you guys go ahead and like this video and leave some comments down below. Alright, let's get it. Let's go. I already have my chicken wings in a bowl. I went and got me some really small wings from the store, from any grocery store, guys. I love me some flats. So this batch in particular have a lot of flats, so I'm very lucky. But they do have some of the little legs and stuff in there. But I like my wings to be nice and small. And I like to make sure that when I cook them kind of long so that they're really crunchy, because I love me some crunchy wings. So yeah, I'll wash these off with some vinegar, some salt, some warm water, and just kind of cleaned it really good, guys. And then I pat it dry with a paper towel before placing it into this bowl. The reason why you want to make sure that you pat it dry is so that all of the seasonings and stuff can stick to it, and then when you cook it, it just cooks so much better, guys. So make sure you wash, dry, and then season your wings, okay? So for the seasonings that I do have here today, I am going to be using the garlic powder. I have my salt. I have my lemon pepper seasoning. This is from Trade East. Onion, salt, and pepper. That's it. Literally, that's it. All of that's it. I don't know what else to tell you other than that's it. And then I do have my air fry container because I am going to be air frying them. I love air frying my wings now. One is a lot healthier than just like deep frying them and stuff like that and having all that grease and stuff. But the air fry just makes the food amazing. You know, this is a new generation, so we don't use a deep fryer as much. And it's just easy to use. And I know you guys may have an air fryer at home. If you do not have an air fryer, please go and get you one because you need it. And before we get into actually putting the seasonings and stuff together, let me show you guys what I'm wearing today. I am wearing all purple or lavender lace. I have on my beautiful black robe. This is what it looks like. And it's super cute, guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and season everything. So season your food to your liking, okay? I like to taste my seasonings. I know that everybody is different. So I'm gonna put a good amount of garlic powder in. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at the end too, once I'm done seasoning. And then I'm just gonna do a handful, like a palm full of salt. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's not too much salt. And I'm just gonna throw that in there as well. We're gonna skip over the lemon pepper seasoning because we're gonna save that to the very end. And we're gonna go straight into that onion salt. Season it good, okay? The lemon pepper wings, they gotta be hitting. They gotta be hitting. And then we're gonna do our pepper. So I do the same amount as salt and pepper. You know what I'm saying? The pepper is just for a crunch, to add a little color to it, but not too much. And then I'm literally gonna just blend this together with my hands. And usually when I cook like my meats and stuff, I like to add like cayenne pepper and stuff. And I love cayenne pepper, I love paprika, and I love like crunch red pepper flakes. But when it comes to doing like the lemon chicken, I try to keep the ingredients as simple as possible, mainly because that lemon seasoning has a lot of different salts and stuff in it. You don't want to overpower your wings, so this is literally all you're going to need. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. Hopefully y'all can see that. I really don't know. I don't have my glasses on, so I cannot see my camera. My camera's so far back. But yeah, so it's nice and it's blended. It's seasoned. And it is ready to go. So I'm going to just take my little thingy thing and I'm just going to lay them out flat around the bottom. When I put my wings in here, I try to make sure that they all have a spot. I don't just throw them in here. I want them all to be nice and toasted together perfectly on each side. So I make sure that they can lay flat. If it don't lay flat, if they're like overcrowding each other, take some out. It's okay to go in and cook twice. But the amount that I'm cooking today should be just fine to where I can put them all in, because this is just like one little batch of chicken. So I'm just making some room, y'all. And I just made wings the other day. I love me some wings. I literally can eat these almost every day. I love wings. I'm just gonna try to squeeze this last one in because why not? And there's the wings, guys. So I'm gonna put these in my air fryer and I'm going to cook them on 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, guys. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, so I am back. The wings are actually in the air fryer and they have about 20 to 25 minutes to cook. I literally just put them in. So while those cook, I actually just want to go in here and kind of just talk to you guys really fast. It is New Year's and I've been really contemplating on like this channel and the things that I want to do on this channel. So we are going to, I'm just going to pretty much just give you guys a quick update. We're going to be continuing the lingerie try on. So I know you guys are super excited about that. I absolutely love doing the try on hauls. One thing in particular I do want to address with you guys, I don't just post this kind of content just because I want you guys to sexualize me. This channel really is just about being confident in yourself, because I'm not the average body type that everybody goes for. So the lingerie try on hauls just really gives me and other women a safe place to just be ourselves. And I absolutely love cooking. So we're going to continue to combine the lingerie and the cooking videos together. So that is something that I am going to continue in 2023, you guys. We're also going to be diving a little bit more into our podcast. I'm not going to start podcast recording again until February, you guys. So the month of January is just going to be cooking and trying on hauls. But the month of February, we will kind of tap back into some of the podcasts and stuff. The podcast is an adult podcast. This is where we're going to be talking about our sexuality and opening up more to whoever's willing to listen. So that is the direction that I really want to go in for this channel. So I hope you guys are really here for the journey, because I may not always post the content that you guys want, but the content will be here. But I really need you guys to be supportive of other content that I post on this channel, guys. And I absolutely love you guys so much, because you have encouraged me to be myself in this environment, and I just really appreciate you guys so much for that. It's a new year. We really need to work on getting this channel up to 10K. This channel should be at 10K. Okay, so if you know anyone that's interested in the content that I make, share. Make sure that when you're watching these videos that you're liking the videos. Make sure you're leaving comments, whether it's just a heart, whether it's a thumbs up, because that's what's really going to help circulate my videos into the algorithm. And I really need you guys' help for that, especially if you want me to continue to make videos that you guys love. I need you guys to be interacting more on all of my videos, okay? My videos are not very long. They're all very entertaining. So yeah, go and make sure that you guys are checking out other content outside of just like the cooking videos, outside of just the try-ons. Like, kind of just be supportive all around the board, you guys. I would really appreciate it. So yeah, also I want to see more of you guys on my Instagram account, Arie_Moral2. All of the information is down in the description box, guys, so please go and check that stuff out. And yeah, and I do take video recommendations, so make sure if you got a video idea, leave it in the comments, guys. If it's a really good idea, I'm going to do that video for you, okay? And yeah, I think that's pretty much all I wanted to say. So I really absolutely love the lingerie that I'm wearing today. It's super cute, and y'all know I gotta give it back. Hopefully y'all can see. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna pretty much wait on the wings to get done. It's not gonna take that long. I do want to make some French fries. French fries actually sound really, really good. Yeah, I'm gonna make some French fries with these, and then we're gonna try them on the camera. So once the wings are done, I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna show you how I season it with the lemon pepper seasoning, and then we're gonna eat our fries. We're gonna try it on camera, and yeah, guys. So I'll be back. These wings, I went ahead and made me some French fries too, and I put these in the air fryer as well. But look at how good that looks. Yes, sir. I had to take my robe off because I was getting a little hot. Look, a little hot. So we're about to go ahead and season these wings. Oh, I need a plate. I should just get a paper plate, but I don't know why, but I have this thing about like eating on paper plates. I don't know. I just really don't like to. Yeah. Oh no, I already opened this. So we got those seasonings with this lemon pepper seasoning, and I just put a good amount. I love the lemon pepper seasoning. It is so yummy, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. And then I just shake it up. I be like, when I do this, I be feeling like I'm really doing something. So I just shake it up really good. Ooh. Ooh, yes. And I'm gonna put me some on plates. I really want a lot of plates. Yes, sir. I'm gonna save a little bit for Bae, because Bae's gonna want some too. And then I'm gonna season these fries. I'm gonna do the onion salt. I do season my fries really good, y'all. I don't like bland fries. I don't like bland food. And then a little bit of salt. I like just a little bit, because that onion salt is just like this salt, okay? You don't want too much. The garlic powder. Yes, love. Yes, love. And then a little bit of pepper. Yes, I put pepper on my French fries. I don't do like ketchup and stuff on my fries. Every once in a while, I don't mind doing a little seasoning. But yeah. Ooh. Ooh, excuse me, sorry. Every time I do like seasonings and stuff, I don't know why, it just gets in my nose. But, bon appetit, guys. We're about to try this on camera, okay? I love fries. It's so good. Yes. I'm going to try the wing. Look at that wing. Lemon pepper. I love flats, guys. Oh my God. It's so hot. Yep. Yes. Do y'all like the flats or like the little drum legs? I love flats. This is good. Thank you so much for telling me to make these. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my food. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.